Hey there, we are going to turn this into a beautiful hanging basket. I received this as a gift from the company so that I could show you how to put it together and then show you how absolutely beautiful it is in the end. Now, before we put it together though, I want to show you a couple of the features and what it comes with. So it does come with the metal cage that hangs from a hook. And then also it comes with the, the moss-like basket. And then it comes with this in the middle. And I really like this because it has the styrofoam center. And I like the way this looks inside of the pot. But hopefully you can see here, it's got kind of a grid to it. So that helps with keeping the stems in place. So one of the things that I always worry about with artificial flowers outside is that a big gust of wind is going to come along and blow my flowers across the neighborhood. And I feel a lot better using this with these. So we've got the purple, we've got a darker pink, and we've got kind of a light ombre pink is what the way I would classify that. And let's take a closer look. We've got some kind of color variations in the leaves. They look really realistic. Plus these fern pieces that come out the top give it some depth and give it a more realistic look. The colors are beautiful and bold, and they have these little like stamens. Is that what they're called? In the middle, which really lends to more of a realistic look. Now, when they come in the box, they're kind of smushed up like this. So what you can do is you can pull them apart like this. You could let them sit for a couple of days. You could kind of shake it out to get rid of the smush. You could also take a hair dryer and just kind of lightly dry it to kind of open up all of the blooms. So we are going to put this together and see how absolutely gorgeous it is. Okay, so we're just going to place this in the cage. I do want to point out that these have clips, so if you would rather just set these in like a pot on the ground instead of hanging it, you can take the chain off if you would prefer to do that. So we're just going to set it in here, and you could just do the flowers just kind of randomly, but I think I'm going to group them. You could do whatever you want, but I am going to group them. So we're going to do purple on one side, and then I think we'll do the lighter pink in the middle, like so. And you can really tell that styrofoam is really gripping it. And do each color comes with 3. And then I'm going to do the darker pink on this side. Now the nice thing about this is with the stems, they are bendable. So you can fluff them out, you can make them skinnier, you can make them look more full, you can make them look deeper, you can make them look more shallow. And if you don't like the way one of the stems looks, just take it out and stick it back in. So that is just kind of just the beginning of it. I'm going to play around with this a little bit, and then I'll show you where I'm going to hang it. Okay, so I have this hanging on my front porch next to the column, and it just looks so beautiful, real and full. And the best part about this is I don't have to water it. It's lovely. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.